Good evening friends, welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology solutions and products and innovative investment strategies. The last few days I was not well, hence I couldn't put any videos. Of course, it is a normal cough, cold, wheezing, fever and other things. Now I am okay, reasonably okay, hence I wanted to move ahead. In this video, we will be discussing about how the Indian markets performed today and the week expiry, how it closed, and what we can expect for the month end, which is closing tomorrow. Disclaimer, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose, and hence please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decisions. Today, Nifty closed at 17,857, falling nearly by 2% today, and Bank Nifty fell 3.3% today, falling and closing around 39,508. One might wonder, 2 days before Bank Nifty was outperforming Nifty and it was so strong, and why all of a sudden today it has to fall so steep, so much. I would request each one of you and urge you to look my video on October 23rd, Saturday, wherein I had clearly stated that Bank Nifty will touch 41k but will not close at that level. In fact, it will close somewhere between 39,700 to 4,400. That was the range that we had given based on the technical analysis. In fact, we were absolutely close to the target that we had given. So it closed at 508, whereas we had given a target of 700. Nifty, same way, we had indicated 1830 levels to 18200, whereas we were slightly off the target. It closed at around 17,857. So this proves once again that no human being is superhuman being. There is only one person, God, who is supreme, and we all are humans. We cannot be accurate at all times. Hence, these are all only readings, trends, indicators. One has to make their own investment judgment and decisions. Anyway, coming to our stocks, all these stocks fell. Banking stocks fell today. HDFC and Axis Bank fell around 3%, while ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank fell 4% or so. Amongst that, the weakest of the stocks is Axis Bank. Axis looks the weakest to me. In fact, it is going to go below the middle band in the weekly chart, and it is dangerously above the 150-day and 200-day moving average. Hence, any fall from these levels will take it below the 200 DMA, which will take the stock further down. HDFC is also looking weak. ICICI, it has exhausted all the up moves, and next month is going to be a down move for all these banking stocks, or at least sideways movement in majority of the stocks. Hence, there won't be any up move, major up move in banking stocks next month. HDFC is looking reasonably okay, while Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv both looks weak, with Bajaj Finance looks the weakest, and it might fall by another 4 to 5% on these levels. Nifty, when we look upon, it is in the daily chart, it is below the middle band, and it is just 4 to 5% away from the 161.8 retracement, Fibonacci retracement in the daily chart. Hence, it has further fall left in Nifty. It might go down up to that levels. That's what I am indicating. Reliance is looking weak. On the monthly chart, still it is intact. However, that picture will change once November month comes, because the weekly and the daily, it looks weak and it is trending down. IT stocks, all the IT stocks are looking weak, with TCS and SCL the weakest, that I have been indicating for quite some time, with TCS falling further, and as if there is no tomorrow, it is falling every day, and HCL is also looking weak. HCL and Infi also is going to close, reverse the upper band shortly. If that happens, IT also will not be in a position to support Nifty next month. That is how the picture is. Consumer goods. On the consumer goods front, every stock, there are two baskets. We can divide it into two buckets. One is that which is looking strong on the monthly, the other which looks weak in all the time frames. Asian Paints, Bata, Titan, and Pidilite are 3 or 4 stocks that look strong at least in the monthly chart, whereas all others look weak in all the time frames. Lever, Nestle, every stock, Britannia looking terribly weak. Asian Paints beautifully it reversed day for yesterday at 305 or 310, and from the it held to that reversal and it is moving up. Probably another 80 to 100 points up move is there. Thereafter it might go sideways, but the long term trend is intact with that reversal that happened day for yesterday on Asian Paints. Pidilite also same story. Steel. On the steel, again, though the stocks moved up significantly in this month, it has given up most of the gains that it has made, and it is in a downward movement in the lower time frames, daily and also in the medium time frame, which is in the weekly. And if this trend continues, and it seems that it is going to continue, we can see a big fall in the next month in November. Lastly, automobiles. Automobiles, M&M is weak. Maruti is holding its position, though it is not strong. Hero Motors and Bajaj is looking terribly weak. In fact, it has reversed and is going down the last few days. The only exception here, I want to name the stock little later, but before that I want to give an analogy, is when India toured New Zealand in 2008, in New Zealand swinging and seaming pitch, it was 2 sets of batsmen were playing in that New Zealand pitch. One set of batsmen were playing in New Zealand, not able to play or attack the New Zealand fast bowlers. Another single batsman, he was playing as if he was playing in Indian pitches, and that too against club bowlers. The batsman was none other than Virendra Sehwag. Same way, TVS Motor is one standout stock, not just for automobile, for Nifty as a whole. Today it rose up by 4.2% or so, and it is in a significant up move. Of course, at least in the short term, TVS is looking really strong, both in daily, weekly and monthly. So tomorrow we will see how the market closes, and over the weekend we will put our video for the weekly and the monthly time frame. Thank you very much.